Hi, this is Chrissy from the Uncommon Ground, and welcome to SharpSpring training. Today we're going to talk about uploading media and trackable links into SharpSpring. The SharpSpring Media Center, which you can find here under Media. The Media Center allows you to create trackable resources. So you can use white papers, coupons, videos, podcasts, and contracts that can be used in emails, workflows, or notifications. So we'll go through how to add and use something in the Media Center. So here we just go add media. You have to give it a title. This particular thing, we're going to make a coffee infographic. So we're going to call it coffee infograph. And here are a few options here. If you want this media shared with your team, which means it will be available to everyone on your team, all of your salespeople. The reason you might want to do this is if it's, say, a customer testimonial video or a how-to video, and you want your salespeople or your people out on the road to be able to show that to customers while they're with them, just hit share with team, and now it will be available to them not only on the desktop version, but also on the app for their mobile phone. You can also make it available in emails, and you can make it available in the contact manager. So you can either upload a file or you can provide a link. So if it was a YouTube video, you would just provide a link. So we're going to upload a file. So here it is right here, infographic, and add media. Now you can see if you click here, you can see this is our infograph, and it's actually put it up here. There's a link to it here. So if we go back here, this is where it would show you everybody that has viewed this. So you're actually making this trackable. By adding media here, you can now gather data about who has viewed and interacted with this media. So we can add a trackable link here, and we're going to call it coffee info, add a link, and now we can copy that link. So say if we were going to now put it into an email, or here we can just erase this and copy it. So now you can actually send this to somebody as a link or text it to them, and it becomes trackable, and you can see who's opened and has viewed the media, or if they've watched a video. And if you feel that the link is too long, you can also put it into a link shortening service like tinychirp.com. or any other link shortening service to make that link smaller for posting onto social media. You can view it here as well. And like I said, you can also view it on the app as well on your phone. You can create different folders as well. So we can make a team folder here. Here we go. So now you'll find it in this here. And it's also in the shared media because we chose to share it with your team. So when somebody interacts with the media, you can see that when leads view trackable items, an event will appear in the life of their lead in their contact manager. So I can show you here. So if in this area here, if this person had clicked on this trackable media, this is where it would show up. This enables you to track your leads' interaction with important content, and it allows you to follow up with them in a meaningful way. So the Media Center provides the ability to compare social media post performance. You can A/B test new content against old content, and you can see if leads are actually engaging with the content. We'll go into that further in the next module that will cover social media and posting and setting up social media. And you can also use it in your emails as well. And you'll also be able to use it in your lead scoring and give people a higher lead score depending on their interactions with your media as well. And that's it for this module. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact us anytime.